Hi guys, hope you're doing amazing. Today we are going to learn how to solve three commonly asked programming problems in interviews. So we are going to solve three problems. The first is we have to write a program to verify if a given string is palindrome or not. And second program is we have to write a program to find whether the given string is anagram or not. And third, we have to write a program to verify if given number is even or odd number. Okay. Yeah. So let's learn about the first program, palindrome. Let's say we have to write we have to the interviewer is asking write a program to find whether the given number is palindrome or not. For that, first we have to understand what do you mean by a palindrome number. Okay, a string is said to be a palindrome if the actual string and reverse string are equal. Okay, if the actual string and the reverse string of the actual string are equal, we will say the string is a palindrome or not. For example, madam is a palindrome. How do I say that? Okay, how do I say that? Madam. Okay, okay. Madam is a palindrome. Reverse of madam is m. First we write this m, and second we are writing this a. This is reverse, right? Okay. And third, we will be writing this D, reverse. And fourth, we will be writing this A. And fifth, we will be writing M. So, a string is set to a palindrome. The actual string and reverse of the string is a palindrome. Okay. For example, Oppo's reverse is Oppo only. O-P-P-O. Oppo and Oppo is the same string and reverse string. A string this is this is a test, right? Is this test a palindrome? No. Why? The actual string is test. The reverse string is TSET. This is not a palindrome. Okay. Is Pope a palindrome? No. Why? What is the reverse of word Pope? EPOP. Okay. Hence, this is not a palindrome. Hope you understand this concept. Now let's write a program to verify whether a given string is palindrome or not. Let's get started. Okay, so let's create a separate function which implements the logic to verify it is a palindrome or not. So okay, let's create a static method for that. Public static. I'm writing this verify palindrome. We have to call the method from here. Verify palindrome. Let's say we can pass string. Okay, now we can pass the string once we build the logic. Okay, now we don't need to pass the string. So I'm writing a string str. Okay, so to verify the string is a palindrome, first we need an actual string. Okay, so I'm writing string actual string. The user will pass the actual string value. Okay, this is asking what. Okay, add argument to match. Since we are writing the argument in verify parameter, it is asking for verify parameter here also. For time being, let's comment this, and once we write the logic, we will call this. Okay? String actual string of the string. Initially, let's string reverse. Okay, initially let's write it as empty. So string actual we have from string, and string reverse we need to write logic to reverse the particular string. Then we have to verify if actual dot equals reverse, it is a palindrome, or if actual not equal reverse, it's not a palindrome. Okay, so let's part now. Okay, I'm parking it. So we have got the actual string. Okay, we have got the actual string as madam. To find the reverse, how will you do that? How are you going how are you going to find the reverse of the actual string? Okay, to find the reverse of the actual string, we have to fetch the value of m and add it to the reverse and add it to the reverse. Okay, m first we'll be adding m, then we will be adding this a, then we will be adding this d, and then we will be adding this a, and then we will be finally adding this m. So to reverse this, we have to iterate the string in the reverse. Reverse. Okay, we have to iterate the string in the reverse. Let me write the logic first, and then I will explain you the implement. And it will you will be able to understand it more once I write the logic. Okay. So for int I equal to size of the palindrome minus one. The logic is done. I'm trying to format this. Okay. So what I've done here is first we are passing a string as madam. Once we call this madam, it will go here. Then now the string actual becomes madam. Initially the string reverse is empty. Then to fetch the initially the string is empty. To reverse the value, we have to iterate from this part, like last part m, then last second, last third, and last fourth, and last fifth. To iterate in that value, we have to implement using this logic for int I equal to actual dot length of. This actual dot length of starts the iteration from this final value m. Okay. So what is the length value? The string is madam, so the length will be 5. Okay. So initially it will start with for int I equal to 5 minus 1, 4, int I 4, 4 greater than or equal to 0, 4 minus, reverse is equal to reverse plus actual dot caret I. Okay. This caret I is a inbuilt function. What does this caret I function do? It returns the character value at the specified index. Okay, it returns the particular character value at the specified index. Let's say in this actual string, what is the index at fourth place? 5 minus 1 is 4. At fourth place, the index is m. So initially when I is equal to 4, the reverse value will be m. Okay. Then when I is equal to 3, okay, here initially the I value will be 4. Then reverse value will be m. Then I value will be 3. Then reverse value will be ma. Then I value will be 2. Reverse value will be mad. Then I value equal to 1. Reverse value will be mada. Then I value equal to 0. Reverse value will be madam. Okay. Then I value will be minus 1. Once the I value will be minus 1, the loop breaks because we have written the condition that the I must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now let's run this program. First, we are passing it as madam. Now let's run this program. Let's see what is the output, whether the program which I have done is logically correct or not. Yeah, see, string is palindrome, madam. Now let's pass some reverse condition. Now let's pass some negative condition, negative string. Let's say I'm passing the string as testing. What do you think? What do you think? This test palindrome or not? What do you think? Yes, we know test is not a palindrome, but what does this program say? Yeah, test is string is not a palindrome. Test is not a palindrome. Let's pass another string. Let's pass Choco. What do you think? Is Choco palindrome? No, Choco is not a palindrome. Okay, it's this simple, guys. Okay, hope you are able to understand this concept. Okay, so I'll write this logic better here. Yeah, hope you are able to understand this program clearly. If you face any issue, no worries. Please write in the comment section. I will definitely check your issues and will resolve them as soon as possible. Hi guys, and the next program which we are going to see is anagram. What do you mean by anagram? A string is said to be anagram if two strings are same but in different order. Are you able to understand? In other words, an anagram of a string is a separate string with same characters but a different character order. For instance, ABCD and DABC is an anagram. How? Because these two strings can be translated into each other as an anagram. Okay. I will show you some example. Okay. String A is listen. String B is silent. This is anagram or not? Yes, it is anagram. How? With the help of different characters of the string, we are able to create the string. Okay. String A is tagro and string B is scatter. This is anagram. Yes, it is anagram. String A is tag and string B is cat. This is anagram. Yes, of course, this is anagram. Okay. Of course, this is anagram. Okay. Let's say string A is set. Okay, let's say string A is set. String A is set. The set has four characters. Let's say ID. String B is same. It also has four characters. Is this anagram? Is set and same anagram? No. Of course no, because same has same yes as said, same has same a as said, but we have M here, we have I here, we have E here, and we have D here. So said and same is not anagram. Okay. So we have to write the program to check if both strings are anagram or not. Okay. Let's write the program. Okay. So I'm going to create a new class, anagram, string anagram. Okay, let's say string is let's go to the thing. String is listen and string no let's take the shortest string parameter. String is stat and string B is cat. So string A is stat and string B is cat. This is anagram because T we have T. Here we have A and we have A. And here we have C and we have C cat. Okay. These both are same string. Only the order of the characters different between string A and string B. Okay. So how do we verify whether these two strings anagram or not? What is the logic? What is the logic? Just think, just think, guys. I'll definitely solve this, but just think. Okay, I will say my logic. Okay, the string A is stack. Okay, string B also has the same character. Okay, tag is in different order of cat. But how do you verify? I will say. Okay, first let's sort the string. Let's sort the string tag. Let's sort the string tag. How do you sort the string? First, we will convert this. tag to a char array, then we will sort the string. If we convert the string tag to char array and sort, how will it be? A, C, T after sorting, okay? And let's say string cat. Let's sort this string cat. After sorting, it will be A, C, T. Then after sorting, we will verify. Okay, verify if string A and string B are equal. If string A and string B are equal, it is an anagram or it is not an anagram. Okay, another. Okay, we have same. Let's take addition to same set. This is anagram or not? We know this is anagram, but how do we solve using program? Let's take string same. Let's sort this string. If we sort the string same, what will be the output? A, E, what is the third character? Third is M, after that S. Let's say we have string set. Let's sort this set. First is A and second is D. What will be third? I, you are S. Okay. We have same is sorted as AEMS and set is sorted as ADIS. After sorting, these two strings are not equals, hence they are not an anagram. That's it, okay. So let's write the program. Even this will be very clear for you, right? You have to understand this concept. First, fetch the string. Second, convert the string into a char array. And third is verify. Step one is convert string to char array. And step two, sort the char array. Third, compare two char arrays. That's it. That's it. Okay. So let's create a new static method for the public static void this anagram. I'm writing the method name is this anagram. Let the user pass string A, comma string B. Sorry, string A, comma string B. Let's say the string is let's say the first string is tag and second string is cat. Okay. Let's write the program. First, we have to convert the string A to char array, right? In Java, we have a method to convert a particular string to char array. What does this to char array does? To char array converts the string to a new character array, a newly allocated character array whose length is the length of the string and whose contents are initialized to contain the character is sequence represented by the string. Okay, and we are converting it into char array. We have converted, but we have to store in a separate character, right? So we can store in the character AA, can store another character as character BB. Okay. What is the error here? Yeah, yeah. Since it's a char, we have to open bracket and close bracket. First, we have converted the string A, given string A to the char array. Next, we have to sort that array, right? We have to sort the array. In Java, we have a function known as arrays.sort. Okay, arrays.sorts the array. It can be anything. Okay, now the array AA is sorted and array BB is sorted. Now we have to verify. Okay, if you can compare two array using this function. Okay, you can compare two array. Array using arrays dot equal, you can compare two different arrays. Let's see what this says. Boolean Java using array sequence returns true if the two specified arrays of a character are equal to one another. Two arrays are considered equal. Both arrays contain the same number of elements, and all corresponding pairs of elements in the two arrays are equal. In other words, two arrays are equal if they contain the same elements in the same order. See, two arrays are equal if they contain the same element in the same order. Also, two array references are considered equal if both are null. Okay. Okay. If condition, if the statement inside the if condition, this loop will always get executed if the condition is true. So if the array are, what does this return? If the both array are true, it will return true. So if true, it will go inside this, else it will go inside that. Okay. Anagram. Okay. This is the logic is very simple, guys. The logic is pretty simple. Okay. Let's see whether this program works correctly. Okay, let's run this program. First, we are passing tag and cat as string. Then we are converting the string into a char array. Then we are sorting that array, and we are verifying. That's it. That's simple, guys. Yeah. Tag and cat is an anagram. Okay. Let's pass another string. Let's pass another. Let's say we have tam, and we have mat. Okay. Yeah. That is also an anagram. Tam and mat is also an anagram. Let's write a negative scenario for this. Let's write as same. Let's write next string as set. Both the string length is same. But what do you say? The same and set anagram. What do you think? Let's execute. Not an anagram. Okay. Because once same and set are sorted, once once same is sorted, what will be the output? A, E, S. Once set is sorted, what will be the output? A, D, I, S. So these two strings are not equal, right? Only if AEMS and ADIS is equal, it will print it as an anagram. Else it is not an anagram. That's simple. So let's okay. Let's say the string has okay, wait. Cat, cat and tag is anagram. But let's say we write a space here. Let's say we write a space here. What do you think? Is this anagram? It's right. Yeah, it is an anagram. Okay. Let's say we have double space here. Not. See, cat and tagger anagram, but since we have space here, it is showing us not an anagram because the size is different, right? The size of this is 5 and the size of this is 4. Okay, so it is showing us not an anagram. So we have to solve this edge case. Okay, how do we solve? I will show you. I will show how we solve it. Okay. In Java, we have a replace function. This backslash yes replace indicates empty blank space. We replace blank spaces nothing with zero space. What happened here? And we replace blank space and string B with nothing. Nothing and let's say like let's convert this like to now let's run this program and see, okay? So we're replacing the empty space with this, okay? Let's see now this output should say it is an anagram. Let's see what is the output, okay? It say it is not an anagram. Why does it say it is an anagram? Let's see what is the output of the string A, okay? String A1 and string B2. Let's see what is the output. Okay, string A1 it is stack and string B2 it is cat. So by the way, it is not replacing the empty space with the single space. So let's follow another thing. Let's use replace all, okay? Here also let's use replace all. Now let's see the replace value. Yeah, now it is only string A1. First we are passing it as T space A space C. It is converting as stack without space. Now next string is C space A T. The converting as cat. Hence now it is an anagram. Now it is working perfectly fine. Okay, guys? No doubt. Okay, let's try for some other input. Let's say the input is Tom. Let's say second input is OMT. What do you think? This is an anagram or not? What do you think? This is an anagram or not? Yes, of course it's an anagram. But yeah, of course it is an anagram. Ignore this space. But let's run this program. Yeah, it is an anagram. Yeah, that's it. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. Okay. The logic is first we have to get the string from user. We have to sort that particular string. Okay. We have to sort the given string. Then we have to compare whether the two strings are equal. That's it. It's that simple, guys. Yeah. Hope you're able to understand this concept well. Just try from your side. You definitely able to understand. If you are not able to understand even after that, just comment below. I will see what is the doubt or issue which you are facing in this anagram problem. Okay. Okay. The next program that we are going to write is we have to check whether the given program is even or odd. Okay. As a user, we know two is an odd number. We know, sorry, we know two is an even number, four is an even number, 6, 8, 22, 44, 68, 95, 50. These are even number. And as a human being, we know 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 55, 77, 11. This is odd number, right? But if we need to write a program to verify, how do we verify that? What is the common thing in these numbers? These numbers are completely divided by these numbers are completely divisible by 2. Okay. These numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 55, 77, 11. These numbers are not divisible by 2. Okay. These numbers are divisible by 2. So the logic is simple. Okay. The number is okay. Okay. Number logic is simple. Okay. The number divided by 2 equal to 0. In Java, this returns reminder. So let's say this 2 divided by 2 is 0. 68 modulo 2 is 0. 11 modulo 2 is 1. This is the logic, okay? If a given number modulo 2 equal to 0, then it is divisible by 2. Else it is not divisible by 2. Hence, if a number is divisible by 2, it is even, else it is an odd. Okay. Let's write a program for this. Okay. I have already created the class name as even or odd. Let's create a separate method to check this. This even or odd. Okay. We need to int. Yeah. Let's say that int a. Okay. What number can we pass? Let's pass 55. What do you think? 55 even or odd? It is odd. Okay. Right. Okay. If a modulo 2 equal to 0, we write it as given number plus even. Else, given number is odd. Let's see whether this program works or not. Okay. Yeah, given number is odd. Let's say another. Let's give some other input. Let's say we give 88. Let's see what is the output. Yeah, given number is even. Let's give it as input as 8. Let's give input as 11. No, okay, 11. What do you think will be output for this? 88 is even, 8 is even, 11 is odd. Let's try this. Let's run the program. Perfect. Given number 88 is an even number, 88 is an 8 is an even number, and 11 is an odd number. Okay. So it's very simple, right? Simple, guys. This thing, right? This model law. This gives the remainder values. In Java, this is a modulo operator which gives reminder value. This this operator gives quotient value. Okay. Hope you're able to understand this. When you watch this video, you'll be able to see this is very simple. Okay. Yeah, this is simple, but when you practice on your system hands on, and if you are able to implement this program successfully, then only you'll get confidence. Okay, just by watching, you don't get the confidence. You try from your side. Okay, you try this program, even a odd number program, and if you face any challenge, please write those challenge in comment section below. I'll definitely check and resolve those issues as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you found this video and this programming implementation useful, please hit a like button. It will motivate me to work hard to provide better content to you. Thank you so much, guys. Happy coding. Bye bye. See you.